Very good morning, students. Sai Ram. Again, you have a maths period today. So, what lesson is going on now? Operations on fractions. And which one is going on in this lesson? Addition and subtractions of mixed number. Isn't it? So, children, I hope you are doing daily practice in your home. Yes, very good. So, that practice set 10 is going on. First question that is over, that was addition. So, 4 sums we solved. Second question is what? Subtraction. That also practice at 10. Second question was subtraction. First one is what? First sum, that was over. Okay, that I solved already in last session. So second question I will start today. Children, are you ready? So see here, second question, practice at 10. Second question, second sum. Are you ready, children? Shall I start? So here, see here question. Yes, 5 1 upon 2 minus 3 1 upon 3. So children, here two method, that in addition and subtraction two method I have taught. So that two method, first method is what? That whole number and fraction you got to write separate. Isn't it? That method was, that is first one. And second method is what? Yes, that mixed number you have to convert into a improper fraction. So this sum I am following that second method. Are you ready? So children, again and again I am telling which method is easy for you, that method you have to follow. Are you ready? So this is your question here. So here second method I am following. What is the second method? Mixed number you have to convert into an improper fraction. How will you convert? Yes, see here 5 1 upon 2. So already I have told that denominator you have to multiply with whole number. That means denominator into whole number plus numerator upon denominator. Okay. So see here children. First mixed number you have to see 5 1 upon 2. How will you write here? Yes, here what is the numerator? What is the denominator? 2. 2 into whole number, that means 5 plus 1, that means numerator, upon what will come? Denominator only will come. So 2 into 5 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, minus. Why here minus? Because this is subtraction, already you got minus sign only in your sum. Okay, so minus, and next one is second fraction, second mixed number you have to see. What is the denominator here? 3 into what is the whole number? Can you say 3 plus what will come? Very good, numerator. Here what is the numerator? 1. So 3 into 3 plus 1 upon 3. Okay, I hope you understood this step. Yes, afterwards you have to multiply and write. Okay, so here, see here children, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1, that means 11 upon 2, minus 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, that means 10, 10 upon 3. Okay, now you got this fraction. So can you say this is like fraction or unlike fraction? Yes, this is unlike fraction. That means why we are saying that is unlike fraction? That denominator you have to say, denominator here there is no same denominator. So we can say that is, yes, that is unlike fraction. So if you want to add or subtract that fraction, it should be like fraction. So this unlike fraction you have to convert into like fraction. So that before that what you have to find? Very good, LCM of denominator, that means 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 what will come? Can you say? 6. Already I have told, isn't it? So LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. So children, see here LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6, and here this first fraction 11 upon 2. So here 2 you have to convert into 6. How you have to convert? Yes, if you will multiply this 2 with 3, you will get what? 6. So at the same time numerator also you have to multiply by that same number. So 11 into 3 upon 2 into 3. Understood? Minus here how many? Here also second fraction you have to see 10 upon 3. So 3 into 2, that means 6. You have to convert this 3 into 6. How you have to convert? If you will multiply this 3 with 2, you will get 6. Isn't it? So 10, that 10 also you have to multiply by with 2. So 10 into 2 upon 3 into 2. So understood this step? Next step, what you have to write? Yes, you have to multiply and write. Okay. So see here, 11 3s are 33 upon 6 minus 10 2s are 20, 20 upon 3 2s. So children, see here, now you got a like fraction. 33 upon 6 minus 20 upon 6. So hereafter it is so easy to subtract, isn't it? So here, why here you see, yes, here you got a like fraction. So what you have to do, next step, denominator you don't change, only numerator you have to subtract. So 33 minus 20 upon 6. That means your answer is what? 13 upon 6. So here, that when you are writing your final answer, if it is improper fraction, you have to convert into a mixed number. So now say this is this which fraction it is? Yes, it is improper fraction. So you have to convert into a, yes, mixed number. So 13 is divided by 6. In 13, how many 6 are there? 2. 2 6 are there. So 2 will come as your whole number. Remainder will come as your numerator. So here remainder is what? 1. 1 upon divisor will come as your denominator. So 2 1 upon 6. That is your final answer. I hope you understood, children. Shall I go to next? So next one is what? Third sum. Third sum, see here, this is your question 7 1 upon 8 minus 6 1 upon 10. So here again I am going to follow first method. So children, see here, this is your question here. First, what you have to write? Yes, whole number you have to write separate and fraction you have to write separate. Okay, first fraction, what is the whole number? 7. Second mixed number you have to say, yes, what is the whole number? 6. So 7 minus 6 plus first fraction is what? 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 10. Understood, children? Yes, this is the first step. I hope you understood this first step. Yes, very good. Second step you have to see. So it is so easy to subtract whole number. 7 minus 6, 1. Okay. Plus, you have to see here this fraction. This is again you got a unlike fraction. So you have to convert into like fraction. So before that you have to find what? First you have to find LCM of 8 and 10. LCM of 8 and 10, when you will say the table 8 and 10, it will come to know what is the least common multiple. That means what is the LCM of that 8 and 10, it will come to know. So LCM of 8 and 10 is 40. Okay. So here see this first fraction 1 upon 8. So that 8 you have to convert into 40. How will you convert? If you will multiply this 8 with 5, you will get 48 because 8 5s are 40. At the same time, numerator also you have to multiply with this same number, that means 5. Okay. So first step we have seen 1 plus 1 into 5 upon 8 into 5 minus second fraction you have to see 1 upon 10. Which number will come here? 40 will come. For that you have to multiply with, yes, 10 4s are 40. So 4. Okay. Numerator and denominator you have to multiply with 4. So 1 into 4 upon 10 into 4. Understood the second step? Yes, very good. Next one is you have to multiply and write. 1 plus 5 1s are 5 upon plus 4 1s are 4, that means upon 40. Okay. See here. 1 plus 5 upon 40 minus 4 upon 40. Now you got what? Like fraction. Are you happy? Yes, hereafter what you have to do? It is so easy to subtract. So 1 plus, here what will come? Numerator you have to subtract. That means 5 minus 4 upon 40. So is equal to what? 1 plus 1 upon 40. Okay, understood, children? This is your final answer. That means 1 plus 1 upon 40. So here, that when you are writing that final answer, this whole number and this whole number and fraction you have to combine. That means 1 upon 40. So you got your final answer. Children, understood? Shall I go to next? Next one is what? Fourth sum. So children, can you do by yourself? Yes. So that's why here you are telling no, yes now. So that's why I am giving here homework. Fourth sum. Okay. So see here, first one is what? That fourth sum, subtraction 7, 1 upon 2 minus 3, 1 upon 5. You can use any one method. Okay. Here that first step I have written here. I have given here first step. That means here first method I am following. That means whole number you would write separate and fraction you would write separate. Okay. Here I have started here that first method, but that second method if you want you can do that. Children, here see here 7, 1 upon 2 minus 3, 1 upon 5. So that whole number I have written here separate, 7 minus 3 plus fraction 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 5. But that second method also you can do. Second method is what? Yes, that mixed number you have to convert into improper fraction. That method also you can follow. So children, that further steps can you do? Can you find that answer? Very good. Okay. So shall I go to next? So addition and subtraction, that is over, practice set 10. Third sum, that is word problems. Okay. Third sum is what? Third sum is word problems. So children, next one is word sums. That is, I will read this sum. 3 sums are there. Okay, 3 word problems are there. So you don't get any tension, any worry about this word sums. I will teach you properly here. Clear? So here, see here. First, that question is what? Suyash bought 1 upon 2 kg of sugar, and Ashish bought 1 upon 2. That means 3.5 kg. Okay. And how much sugar did they buy altogether? If sugar cost rupees 32 per kg, how much did they spend on the sugar they bought? So what you have to find here, children? That 2 persons. First one is what? Suyash, and next one is Ashish. Okay. Suyash bought 2.5 and Ashish bought 3.5 sugar. So what you have to find? How much sugar did they buy altogether? So here this is the keyword here, altogether. That means, so that word sum, what you have to do? Addition or subtraction. So for finding that one, you will get some keywords in your word problem. Okay. So see here, altogether. So this question, altogether, that is the keyword. So altogether means you have to add. Okay. So, and your question is what? How much sugar did they buy altogether? So this 2 fraction you have to add. Then you will find total amount of sugar. And next question is here, 2 questions are here, children. Next one is, if sugar cost rupees 32 per kg. So 1 kg for 32 rupees. So how much they spend on the sugar they bought? That you have to find. Are you ready? Yes, see here, children. First you have to write what you are getting from your question. Okay. So first one is what? This word problem, no, this stepwise you have to write. Okay. Sugar bought by Suyash. That means 1 upon 2. That means 2.5 kg. Next one is what? By Ashish. 1 upon 2 kg. And next one, what you have to find? Total sugar bought by both. So what you have to do? Yes, total you have to find. For that you have to add these 2 fractions. Okay. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Can you add? It's so easy to add. Why it's so easy? Very good. Because this is what? Like fraction. Okay. So see here, children. Here this 1 upon 2. Here I am writing 2 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. This mixed number you have to convert into fraction, improper fraction. Next one is what? Next fraction is what? Next mixed number is what? 1 upon 2. That means 3 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, afterwards you have to multiply and write here. Yes, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 upon 2 plus 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 upon 2. So children, see here, you got now 5 upon 2 plus 7 upon 2. Okay, so this is like fraction. So can you add now? Very good. So see here children, only numerator only how to add, that means 5 plus 7 upon 2 is equal to 5 plus 7, what is 12 upon 2. So 12 upon 2, what is your answer? Just you have to divide and tell me 12 is divided by 2. What you will get answer? 6 kg. So total they Suyash and Ashish bought, yes, 6 kilogram of sugar. Okay, understood this one? Yes children, one second I will tell. First you have to write what you are getting from your question. Next one you have to add. Why you have to add? Because your question is what? How much they bought altogether. Okay, so you have to add here. This is like fraction, so it is so easy to add. So final answer is what? 6 kg. And your question is what here? Yes, if sugar cost rupees 32 per kg, how much did they spend on the sugar they bought? So 1 kg sugar is what? 32 rupees. So you have to find what? 6 kg. How much of amount they will spend for this 6 kg of sugar. So children, I will tell now. I will tell you that 1 chocolate cost is 5 rupees. What is the cost of 3 chocolate? 15 rupees, isn't it? So here what you have to do? Multiply. Like this, 1 kilogram of sugar is 32 rupees. So what is the cost of 6 kg of sugar? Yes, very good. What you have to do? Multiply. We have to do multiply. Can you do? So cost of 1 kg is equal to 32 rupees. Next one is cost of 6 kg of sugar is what? 32 into 6. So if you are multiplying this two number, what will come? 192 rupees. 192 rupees. So if you are multiplying here, you will get answer 192. So that word sum you have to write separate answer. Answer you have to write separately for word sum. Okay, because it carries marks children. So that answer, see here, they bought 6 kg of sugar altogether and the total money spent on sugar is what? Rupees 192. That means 192 rupees. Understood now? So first you have to write what? You have to add that to fraction. Afterwards what? You have to find that total amount of kilogram of sugar. Afterwards 1 kilogram of sugar is what? 32 rupees. So 6 kilogram of sugar is what you have to find. So what you got the answer here? What I got? 192 rupees. So I hope you understood children. Yes. So children, today we studied about that addition and subtraction of mixed number, isn't it? That means today which sum we solved? Subtraction, 2 sum and 1 sum you got your homework also, isn't it? So you have to do. Okay, and next one more word sum also we did today. So that word sum, 1 sum I have completed, 2 sums are remaining, that I will do on next session. Understood children? So you have to do practice and you have to study the table also. Thank you children. Sai Ram.